Hello guys, I am like freezing my butt off. It is so freezing cold right now. The wind is just howling out there. Oh my gosh. This morning, I don't even know how cold the wind chills were, but it was super duper cold. I got my heater here, I got Flipper, and I got a couple packages in the mail. I had a discount for $20 off on Stitch Fix. Boy, they're really trying to reel me in. Ooh. And so I got a top. So I was going to open it. I don't know if I'm going to try it on or not tonight. It is so cold. Let's see. I always got to be careful about these things because one time I had a package like this and I cut it with scissors and I actually cut the outfit. So I'm real careful about opening these kind of things. So you can return these if you want. Now this is a black top. It's from Les Saran Daniela Relaxed Blouse in black. And I liked it. I have to try it on, of course. So I ordered that. And then I had a fix, not last time, but the time before. And there was a pair of black pants that I got, and I love them. So I found out there was a pair of blue pants. Maybe I could just hold this. Oh, duh. So I went ahead and got the same pants in navy, and they're real stretchy. So these are Violets and Roses Rhonda high-rise front seam straight pant in navy. And you have seen me with the black ones, because I really don't have a good pair of navy pants. So I really like these pants. Boy, I'm getting fur all over them. I had a cat sitting on me. So, I'm probably not going to try those on because they're exact same size as the other ones, but I will try on the top. I'm not sure when because I got to unfreeze right now. So that's what I've got for now. I have been looking for a pair of blue flat shoes. There's a zillion black ones, but there's hardly any blue ones. I had a terrible time trying to find a pair. So I ordered a pair. They're not exactly flats. They're kind of more like loafers. So we'll have to see what they turn out to be. So I just wanted to do that really quick unboxing for you guys. And now I'm going to go back and try to warm up. Catch you guys later.